Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today I am in my messy garage and I'm going to be working on a 302 engine that I bought from like a 95-ish F-150 pickup. I tore it apart before I started working on the Red Mustang. And the Red Mustang is done. It's for sale. I have my 76 Monarch in here. It's the next project. I don't feel like doing anything on that today. So today I'm going to be working on this engine. First I need to scrape off all the old gaskets from the surfaces. I peeled the gasket off, but there's still remnants on there. Need to clean the gunk out of the lifter valley. Most of the parts are cleaned up. And I'm going to start assembling this. Here we go. Okay, I got a lot of that scraped off. I knocked the freeze plugs out of both sides of it. Cleaned up a lot of the cook, loosened it up anyways. Now I need to soak it down really good with some degreaser. Old dollar store oven cleaner works good for that. Scrub it up a little bit and then take it outside and power wash the crap out of it. Literally. Get everything out of there. Clean it up. Got a bunch of parts here. Some of them are already cleaned up. I put a lot of the, well, I shouldn't say a lot, all the pistons, rods, assemblies in the ultrasonic cleaner a while back. Got them cleaned up. Some of this other stuff, brackets, things like that, water pump. I'm going to get a new water pump. But other stuff I can take outside and power wash, which I will. It's going to be a long, involved process here. But I'll get her done. Hey, ready for round one. I got the dollar store oven cleaner. And the stuff works pretty good at cleaning engines. I got it soaking up real nice. It's been soaking for 10 or 15 minutes and I kept spraying it till the can is empty. Now I'm going to get my power washer, go to town. I expect to get good and sloppy wet doing this. Okay, that's round one. I'm not going to bore you with the rest of it, but it's very clean and it's going to get cleaner. See you later. Noticed an interesting effect when I was power washing this engine. I have one of those ceramic nozzles on the end of the power washer it has like a needle spray that spins around. Well, the camera was able to pick that thing up spinning. But those things work amazingly well. And this thing is nice and clean now. Let me flip it over. Yeah, it got all the gunk and gook off of it. Looking good. Now I'm going to take some compressed air and blow all the water off it. And another thing I did, took advantage of the power washer, got the Monarch, and cleaned up the engine and the engine compartment. Now this engine, it's a good running 351 Windsor. HEI type distributor, Holley 750, Canton oil pan. I think it's out of a van, like a mid-80s van with a C6 trans. That's right, not a C4, it's a C6 trans. The reason I say van is because of the long dipstick tube here for the trans. Yeah, runs good, but doesn't fit in there right. The exhaust manifolds are setting on shock towers. Engine's for sale. Engine and trans are for sale. I want to put this 302 that I'm working on in here with an AOD. So if anybody wants to buy a good running 351 Windsor C6 trans, now the trans should be rebuilt, $1,000. Let me know. I got it on Facebook Marketplace right now. But this is the engine that's going to go in there. It's going to be a stock type build. I'm not looking for power. Just want a nice cruiser. So I'm going to get the air compressor out and start blowing it. The engine's dried off, and I took some metal protector spray and coated everything because the cylinders will flash rust in a heartbeat if you don't coat them. This is going to be just a garage rebuild, and I'm not going to take it in and spend money and get it honed. I'm going to use this dingle ball flex hone thing that you just put on a drill and run it in and out of all the cylinders. Put a little crosshatch on the wall. I'll put new rings, new bearings in it, and slap it together. This is going to be the end of part one of a garage rebuild on a 302. Just stay tuned for part two.